In this video, I will break down how short, focused yoga sessions can significantly improve your concentration and mental agility. Let's learn some effective, easy ways to practice yoga moves and breathing exercises that are perfect for boosting your focus right now. Let's dive in. So why does yoga work? Well, yoga, originating in India over 5,000 years ago, is more than physical exercise. Today, it's globally recognized as a key practice for enhancing mental well-being and reducing stress as well as PTSD. Yoga stands out as a proven method to reduce stress and boost mental concentration. For me, yoga was never about the spiritual practice. For me, it was always about the exercise, about moving my body and getting my body to work better. But I discovered along the way that my mental clarity improved, and I'm going to show you those secrets. Let's start with tree pose, or otherwise known as vrikasana. So we stand on one leg, place the sole of your other foot high against your inner thigh, and balance. You bring your hands into a prayer position at your chest or raise them above your head. This pose helps improve your focus by requiring you to maintain balance. Next, we move to eagle pose or garudasana. Begin by standing on one leg, wrap your other leg around your standing leg, and hook your foot behind your calf if possible. But remember, that's not important. What's more important is that you squeeze your thighs together. Cross your arms at the elbows, then at the wrists, and press your palms together. This pose not only improves balance, but also demands focus as you twist and hold. To complement these poses, we incorporate pranayama, specifically Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. This involves covering one nostril, inhaling through the other, and then switching nostrils. This technique calms the mind, improves concentration, and balances the two hemispheres of the brain, perfect for winding down after the physical challenge of the poses and further enhancing your mental focus. Of course, as I mentioned to you, many people will find an enhanced sense of concentration and decrease of stress just by doing the poses. But let's not undervalue or underestimate the power of meditation. Meditation is a key part of yoga that exponentially ramps up your mental focus. Let's dive into how you can blend mindfulness meditation into your yoga routine to sharpen your focus. Picture this. You start your session by settling into a comfortable pose and close your eyes. Take deep breaths and focus solely on your breathing. This simple act of mindfulness can be done before you start your yoga poses or after you finish, helping you center your thoughts and calm your mind. Integrating this practice daily enhances your concentration, making each yoga session not just a physical exercise, but a mental rejuvenation too. And I just want to add that most yoga teachers do not teach yoga this way. They teach yoga from going pose to pose to pose to pose to pose. And that technique is missing this invaluable practice of concentration. Please, my friends, take that moment before you do a pose and after you do a pose to develop that inner awareness and thus exponentially enhancing your power of concentration. So that brings us to practicing some of the practical tips for incorporating yoga into daily routines. First of all, create a dedicated yoga space, or what I like to refer to as creating a dedicated sacred space that is for you to come into. that when you come into that place, you just feel grounded, you feel focused, and you feel centered. It doesn't have to be big, just a quiet corner where you can practice without interruptions. The second practical tip is to schedule your sessions. For myself, I schedule mine in the mornings. The morning time is my time, it's my sacred time. Nobody is bothering me, and I can use that time to go inward. Treat your yoga practice like any important appointment. Set a regular time each day, even if it's just for 10 minutes, even if it's just for 3 minutes, to ensure that you stick with it. Early mornings or right before bed are often ideal times. And the third practical tip is to use technology. Leverage yoga apps or online videos, or even better, videos from this YouTube channel, because we do have the best practices that fit into your schedule. These tools, or the tools that we're providing, are great for squeezing in quick yoga breaks during busy days and can help keep your yoga practice consistent. Guys, if you found this video helpful and think it could benefit someone you know in sharpening their focus through yoga, please don't hesitate to share it with them. Remember, sharing is caring. And don't just watch the change, be the change. And for more yoga sites and tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I'm planning intensive yoga videos in the future to help you learn yoga from scratch.